Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this right here. It is the Coloured Raine mystery box and I'm super excited because I've been wanting to try many more items by Coloured Raine. So we're going to unbox this and then I'm going to do a try on of whatever's in here. I have no idea. We're going to find out. It's going to be a lot of fun and you're going to do this with me. Let's get into this. This is everything packaged in the box and I'm super excited to get into it, so we're just gonna go ahead and get in. Okay, let's see here. And I'm gonna swatch everything just so you guys know because I'm too excited not to. The first item in here is an eyeshadow. Let's open this. This is gonna be a whole video of me trying to open things. It's in the shade Intergalactic. So we'll have to definitely go into, it's like, to me it's that blue-brown. Oh yeah, it's definitely that blue-brown. I'm just gonna swatch that right here. Do you guys see the shift? Yep, that blue-brown. That's what that is. I have a couple other shades, but this one's really, really soft. I'm gonna have to swatch the other ones that I have like this and see which one I really want to keep in my collection. Because I think the other one is from ColourPop. Yeah. The next thing I see here are sexy eyelashes is what it says. Let's go ahead and see what these look like. Oh, struggles. Ooh. So I don't wear eyelashes often, but these are very nice. I would definitely have to cut them down because these are quite big. Probably have to cut like that much off to fit on my eye. Especially the way I like to wear eyelashes, but these are very pretty. They're premium silk lashes made of natural and synthetic fibers that are crafted to perfection to enhance and emphasize the power and beauty of your eyes. Vegan-friendly lashes that are long-lasting and reusable. I'm gonna put those back in the box and save these for a day where I'm feeling a little more like wearing lashes. This is a focal point glow lighter. Ooh, let's see. And does it say luxurious bling, I think is the shade. Let's see what is in here. Ah, I almost dropped it. I didn't. We're good. Ooh. Oh, I'm touching it before I show you. But that is it right there. We're gonna swatch it and see what it looks like because in the pan, I don't think you can really tell. Let's swatch it. Oh, can you guys see it? It's very pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's try swatching it a bit more over the top. Like this, and it's like a goldy, shifty highlight. I don't know, I can see it. It's very pretty. It's definitely something I will wear, and I'm glad I kind of got a wearable one, and this is in luxurious bling. I also like the package, and I like that there's a mirror in it. That might just have to go with me places. Ooh! The next thing here is an eyeshadow palette. It is the Very Cute palette. I've looked at this. The packaging looks incredible, if I remember correctly. Yeah, I'll get rid of that thing. The inside looks just like that. And as you guys know, I did get rid of the one Coloured Raine palette that I had, but I'm glad that I got a different one and did not get the same one that I decluttered. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. We're gonna start with Pinkleberry, then Purple Berry, then Platinum Berry, and Kissberry. So this one is the Pinkleberry. Ooh, that's pretty. This one is the Purple Berry. Then we have Platinum Berry. Ooh, and Kissberry. Ooh, that's a very pretty like orangey tone. I like that. Okay, and the next two shades are Pomeberry? I don't know how to say that. And then Loveberry. Ooh. That is a pretty purpley pink. Ooh, that's pretty too. These swatched much different than what I thought they would, because there's what they look like in the palette, and then there's what they look like on my arm. And I can honestly say I'm very impressed. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the lipsticks, which I will try and figure out somewhere on my arm to swatch. So this one is called Arabian Night. Go ahead and open it. And there's 3 bullet lipsticks, and then there's 3 matte lipsticks. And this is kind of what the component and everything looks like. I really like it. It's nice and sleek, and it says Coloured Raine right across here. Ooh, it's a purple. You guys know how I feel about purples. This is Arabian Night. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Let's swatch it. Ooh, that is pretty. Might be one I have to try out. I don't know what else I have, so let's continue. But that is beautiful. The next shade is called Socialite. Get out of the box. And that's what it looks like. It's a nice nude. A very nude shade. Let's swatch it just above. Oh yeah. It's like a peachy nude. It's right there. I have new makeup to play with. Okay, and the next one is called Soul. Let's see what is in this one. I'm having trouble getting them out of their packaging. Ooh, that is Soul. It's a very beautiful kind of grungy looking brown. Let's see if it's as grungy as I think. Oh yeah. Oh, it's right there. I love brown lipsticks. That is gorgeous. So the next 3 are liquid lipsticks. This one right here is called Boss Babe. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's go ahead and swatch it. I'm gonna swatch it on the inside of my hand. That is what Boss Babe looks like. It's a very pretty kind of, ooh, they smell good too. They smell like candy or sugar cookies. Sugar cookies. Then we have Princess Cut, which I just by the packaging and thinking that this is a pink. Oh, I was right. It is a pink. I haven't really looked at Coloured Raine's like lipsticks or highlighters. I didn't even know they sold highlighters, so this was a treat. I wanted to try more, and I thought this mystery box would be fun. That is Princess Cut. It is a very like baby doll pink. And we have one that I think is an orange. You guys know how I feel about oranges. I love them. And this one is called Spiked Punch. Oh, it is an orange. I think that's cool that they did their packaging like the shades of their lipstick. Let's go. Ooh. Oh my gosh, you guys. That is beautiful. It reminds me of like the metallic lip I have, but this one is just going to be a this one's just going to be a liquid lipstick. So I'm super excited to have these and try them out. I'm gonna go ahead and film a look using these items. I'm not gonna probably put on any foundation. I'm just kind of giving my skin a break from foundation. But if you would like to see me kind of play around with these products, continue watching because that's coming up next. Okay, so I'm back and it was like 2 seconds for you guys, but I had to go get a makeup wipe and wipe everything off so that I could get ready to play with all of these items. And then I realized that there was something else in the box, and it is this, opening it, cute little like makeup bag. That's what I would use it for, but I like how pink it is. I like how shiny it is, and it's definitely cute. I'm gonna have to like flatten it out because it's like bent because it was in the box, but I like it. And it says Coloured Raine on it. So that was a cute little addition. So I think I'm gonna rock this kind of like chit chatty get ready with me style. See how this goes. The first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is prime my eyes with my Revolution Supersize Conceal and Define Concealer. Words, Danielle, are a thing. Also, I'm sorry if you can hear any noise outside of here. People are watching TV, doing other things. I think my brother's playing a video game and chatting with some friends online. I don't know. There's all kinds of things going on outside of what's going on in here. Okay, so now that they are primed, let's go go into this fun little palette right here. And I think I'm going to start off with the shade Purple Berry. Hold on. I don't like, I'm taking the thing off the mirror. I'm just gonna start with the shade Purple Berry on a fluffy brush. So, new things going on. I've just been going on dates. I went to the Science Museum recently with one guy, and I've also gone on a second date with the same guy and went to go see The Lion King, which to me was kind of a letdown. I'm gonna be real. It was a letdown. I don't know, they messed up my favorite song. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna ruin it for anyone. If you guys still wanna go see it, go for it. But to me, it was a letdown. Not the date, the movie. Then this weekend, or actually Friday, same day I'm probably uploading this, I'm supposed to go on a date with a different guy, go bowling. I am just trying to kind of have fun and get myself back out there. It is a little strange for me being comfortable going on dates and things, and I didn't realize how quickly I was going to be ready to do that, but I am. I still have my moments where I'm like, rather not do certain things, but you know. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Loveberry, and I'm just going to use it to deepen up my crease a bit, as well as my outer corner. Ooh, that's a pretty combination. But I'm just really trying to have fun, see how things go, and not take anything too seriously right now, because I don't think I'm ready to take anything super, super serious. But yeah, so far so good. Haven't met anyone too crazy. If I get like a weird vibe while I'm like chatting with them before going on a date, I'm like, okay, goodbye. Okay. So I'm probably just gonna do kind of a simple look, but I kind of want, so, okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm going to take the shade Palmberry, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Then I think I'm gonna take the shade Pinkleberry and put that in my inner corner. Ooh. You guys, this is such a pretty shade. But other than that, I've been working and trying to film YouTube videos and just kind of spending time with family, hanging out with friends. Stuff like that. Nothing too crazy or over the top or anything like that. Ooh, that's pretty. I really like that shade. Yeah, so nothing really too crazy. And I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl Peacock Flare mascara. I'm just trying to use this up. It's almost gone. Yeah, I feel like I wear this every single day and I put on a lot. One thing I will say that I've noticed as I'm like moving on from everything and readjusting to what my life is that I've really learned to kind of take time when something doesn't feel right and just kind of really think about why it might not feel right and allow myself that like time, because I need it. Then I'm gonna go in with Pinkleberry. I just like what that's called, Pinkleberry. Ooh, that is a very pretty shade. Imagine that all over the lid too. That would have been pretty. I could do something like this in the crease and just that right there. I'm gonna kind of take it just a little bit over that purple shade just to kind of like make it look like they were supposed to like marry each other there. And I don't think I'm going to do anything on the lower lash line. As I've said, I haven't really been doing it. I'll do it for tutorials and things, and sometimes I'll get like this hint of inspiration where I'm like, I need color right now. I don't feel that, so I don't do it. So this Friday I'm supposed to go to dinner as well as go bowling, which I think will be cool and a lot of fun. I like bowling a lot. I am a very competitive person. Over the top competitive. So I think I'm going to take that lipstick Arabian Night because I gotta try this purple, you guys. It is just beautiful. So let's go ahead and let's do that. Swipes to get on, but that to me is a normal thing with a purple lipstick. But I'm glad that they included a purple because I think it looks really cool with this eye look, and I am super excited to play with the rest of these products. If you would like to see me play around with this palette a little bit more, let me know. The lipsticks, anything of that nature, the single eyeshadow, I could try to put on lashes. That's not happening today. I'm sorry. I really have to be in the mood for lashes. And lately, that seems like one step that I don't need to do. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am super excited to have some Coloured Raine products in my collection and really excited to kind of play around with these lipsticks. I have gotten back into using bullet lipsticks more than liquid lipsticks, which is interesting to me. But yeah, well, if there's anything that you would like to see me film here on my channel, please let me know. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!